Mr. Speaker, I rise for a point of personal privilege comment.
Please proceed.
Thank you. If you did not hear it on the news on March 22, the Trump administration had all the flags of our 22 indigenous tribal nations removed from the Carl T. Hayden Veterans Affairs Hospital in Phoenix. This is an act of disrespect and contempt for all indigenous nations that all of us felt very personally. If you did not know, tribal nations have the highest rate of service in the armed forces, more than 5 times the national average. First, they tried to delete the history of the Navajo Code Talkers, Ira Hayes and Lori Ann Payestewa, from their website. Now this. Mr. Speaker, today I want to thank Governor Hobbs for providing a new home for these flags. The government has announced that the flags are now on display in the Executive 8th floor rotunda. Thank you, Governor Hobbs, for keeping these flags safe until they can return to their rightful place at the VA hospital. As indigenous people, we are very patriotic to our country. I stand and pledge to this country's flag every day. I sometimes ask myself, why when we are denied these rights? It is time to stop the respects. And I want to say it in my own language, that how we're being treated, and the Navajo people that are out there listening. بنيه كيشي تو بالخطلو بنيه دي كونت نكتنات تقولنا كليا نتقل أشود نهج كنا ليا أكوند ناسو يا أول به نهكيا بنسي زيدولي كو أدو خيان هديني دولي شدنا نلتقو بين سو زيدولي يا أتأكو نهتسج بهجون دولي ديد بنيأتا إنكي وتأكو يا خيان هديني دولي شدنا Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for allowing me to reach out to my people in the Navajo Nation and other indigenous tribal nations.
Mr. Majority Leader.